This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, May 23rd. I'm James Spann. Weather dry for a while, and we heat up right in time for the Memorial Day weekend to kick off summer, at least unofficially. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. Trussville looking good. Just a few flat, fair weather cumulus clouds. The sky's sunny. Temperatures are mostly in the low 80s, which is still a little below average for this time of the year. We should be up in the mid 80s here in late May. Hamilton, not a cloud in the sky, at least a decent cloud. That's coming from Hamilton High School up in Marion County. And wouldn't you like to be down there? That's our Gulf Shore Skycam overlooking Sea and Suds and the public pier on a bright sunny afternoon. And the weather down there looks great through the weekend with sunny days, fair nights, and any showers very, very widely scattered. The upper low that brought the unsettled weather a few days ago, that's slowly lifting northeast away from us. New trough developing out west, but in the wake of the upper low, an upper high will take its place, and that means some hot weather coming up. But again, today, not bad. Those are observations at 2 o'clock, Birmingham at 82, Haleyville and Fort Payne at 79. We'll take that all day. But again, a chance we'll be up there around 90 tomorrow. In tropical weather, I know hurricane season doesn't begin until June 1st, but, the weather doesn't really know how to read the calendar sometimes, and we're watching that unorganized massive storms over the Caribbean, and some of the models identify that and move it in the general direction of South Florida. And these early season systems kind of have a hard time, but they can be big rain producers. So our friends down in Miami and Fort Myers and Key West will have to kind of keep an eye on that. No impact on Alabama's weather, and again, this thing probably won't develop, but there's a chance some of that moisture could work in here by the middle of next week, maybe bumping up our chance of rain, and that's a good thing. We always take any kind of rain we can get here at this time of the year. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Slight risks, well to the northeast and northwest. And tomorrow, a risk of severe weather from northern Missouri up through parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Wisconsin. How about dry weather for the next 5 days? That's showing not a drop statewide. All 67 counties dry as a bone through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. Works for me. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. You can see the energetic trough over the northwest down here. The ridge beginning to take the place of the upper low, and down below that, the day should be sunny. Highs probably 87 to 90. And again, I know there's some green patches there, but with subsidence, I don't think it rains at all. It should be a sunny day. Friday, sunny and heating up. Low 90s are likely. The GFS is showing 92. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, there's that 588 heat bubble, basically right on top of us. And out west, a big, cold, deep trough out there. Down below that, sunny day on Saturday. Highs low to mid-90s. The GFS at 94. Should be the hottest day so far this year. And Sunday, I think we stay dry and hot, low 90s likely. Early next week, the ridge begins to break down a little bit. Monday, we might mention widely scattered afternoon showers. High close to 90, and there's Tuesday. And you can see how the ridge is beat down a little bit. And down below that, tropical moisture increases. And again, with that deep plume down to the southeast, just maybe we'll have a decent crack at scattered showers and storms. Same thing a week from today, Wednesday of next week. Actually got a cold front north of us that probably will not push through here, but just maybe that enhances the coverage of showers and storms by Wednesday of next week. We'll check the end of the forecast, the 8th of June. Hey, got summer-like pattern there. Winds aloft are light and variable, and that suggests the weather will be quiet and nice. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio. Or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.